gave you all my time, all my heart, all my mind. You said you'd stay forever, but forever was a lie. Now I'm stuck in the past, with your voice in my head. Every word that you said still echoes in my bed. You were my light, now I'm in the dark. You left a scar right on my heart. You left me like nobody. Now I'm lost in all these lies, but no love and no trust. That turn the pain into the bass I feel. Every night feels the same, calling out your name, but you're already gone, and I'm the one to blame. I was holding on while you let me go. Now I'm dancing with memories, this broken flow. I tried to move on, but I can't let go. You're still the reason I feel so low. You left me, still I stay. Even me more the rain, with no love, and it just pain. It feels in the air. If loving you was wrong, why does it feel so right?